searching for a clear Powerline Technician exam step-by-step guide, you're in the right place. Let's break this down in a way that actually makes sense for working line workers. First, understand what the Journeyman Powerline Technician exam is designed to measure. It's not about memorizing a book word for word. It's about proving you can work safely, follow procedures, and make smart decisions under pressure. Most Powerline Technician Journeyman exams include around 100 to 150 multiple choice questions. You're usually given 3.5 to 4 hours to complete the exam. That gives you time, but only if you manage it well. Step 1 in your Powerline Technician exam, step-by-step guide, is understanding the exam structure. Questions are often scenario-based, involving energized lines, switching procedures, or worksite hazards. These questions test judgment, not speed. Safety is heavily weighted throughout the exam. Topics often include grounding, lockout procedures, personal protective equipment, and job briefings. Electrical theory appears more than many expect, including voltage, current flow, resistance, and basic calculations. Line construction and maintenance are also common, such as pole setting, conductor tensioning, and hardware identification. Tools and equipment like bucket trucks, digger derricks, hot sticks, and testing equipment are frequently tested. Environmental and weather conditions, including wind, ice, terrain, and public safety, are part of exam scenarios. Step 2 in this Powerline Technician exam step-by-step guide is how you study. Don't try to read everything at once. Break your studying into sections like safety, electrical basics, equipment, and work practices. Step 3 is using practice questions. Practice helps you understand wording and reduces test day anxiety. For mature learners or those new to the US testing system, careful reading and linking answers to real job experience is key. Passing the Journeyman Powerline Technician exam can open major career doors. Certified technicians often earn higher wages and better job security. Many move into union roles, leadership positions, or specialized careers. Certification shows professionalism, safety awareness, and pride in your trade. You don't need perfection, just strong fundamentals and calm decision-making. Study smart, practice regularly, and trust your experience. And when you need reliable prep support, JourneymanStudyGuide.com is there to help you prepare with confidence.